take a look at this weed eater, which was just sent to me to check out. This thing is really cool. First of all, incredibly lightweight because this is an electric weed eater. Even with the battery attached, very lightweight, very well balanced. One thing that I really like about this, if you were in a pinch for space, maybe you're in a small condo where you just have a patch of grass or something, look how small this thing, you just press this button here and it will expand or contract to however you want it. So think about how great that would be for storage. Pop this battery off, hang it on the wall, and you're totally good to go. This thing is really ergonomic feel. It's got a rubberized grip here. It's got a safety button and a trigger to turn it on. Of course, you got your handle here, your blade guard at the bottom. Came with a number of different blades. Came with the plastic ones, came with some metal ones, and it even came with two circular saw blades that you can mount in here. So if you're doing some brush or something like that, that's what you want to use to take that stuff down. Two batteries as well. So these are 21-volt batteries. They last a long time. It comes with the charger. I've been just charging these up. I've got probably a half acre and a lot of edging and trimming to do. Absolutely, it will tackle that with the best of them. This thing is great. And it even comes with these wheel attachments that you can mount down here. And what that's for, so for edging or anything like that, or maybe you have mobility issues and you don't have the strength to necessarily pick this up, even though it is so light, then these wheels are just going to help you roll it around, take care of it. Also in this kit, you're going to get a pair of safety glasses, a pair of gloves. It's just a fantastic value because of you get everything. You get the plastic blades, the metal blades, the saw blades, the wheels, two batteries again, and just the way it just is so compact and easy to use. And let me show you this again. I just push this button, extend it all the way out. Now look at that. Now I'm 5'10" and I'm just standing there and I'm not bending over and I can just get every area that I want to. So if you're looking for a gardening tool, a lawn edging tool, a weed eater type of a thing, this is wonderful. It's a heck of a value. It's great for smaller properties. If you had a farm or something like that, I don't know, you might want to get a bigger one, but it would work for that as well. But this is a great tool, one that you definitely want to check out. Portable, easy to use. You adjust this head any angle you want. Just fantastic. So make sure if you're looking for a tool like this, this is really a good deal. Check it out.